Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Chevy Cruze steering wheel. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and wait at least 10 minutes to clear the airbag system. Remove the center trim gently with a plastic pry tool and keep fasteners organized. Make sure the wheels are pointed straight ahead and mark the steering shaft alignment to preserve wheel orientation. Work in a well-lit area and keep small parts in a labeled tray. Gather your tools before starting so the job goes smoothly. You will want a 10 mm and 15 mm socket, Torx bits, a ratchet, extension, and a trim removal set. Have a steering wheel puller ready because pulling the wheel by hand can damage the shaft or bearings. Label connectors as you remove them to avoid confusion during reassembly. Work methodically and take photos to aid putting parts back in place correctly. With the battery disconnected and waiting period observed, remove the airbag mounting bolts and lift the airbag straight out. Disconnect the airbag and horn connectors and set the module aside face up. Loosen the center nut and leave it threaded a few turns to prevent the wheel from flying off once released. Use a steering wheel puller to draw the wheel off the splined shaft evenly. Remove the wheel and inspect the clock spring before reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.